Wagyu Tomahawk Sliders. Cheers. Okay guys, today we're going to be doing some Wagyu Tomahawk. Slapped it up with a little bit of cowboy butter here, mixed in with some smoked beef tallow I did a few weeks ago. So we're going to throw it on here and do a little quick sear. We're going to top them off with a little bit of this cowboy butter and smoked tallow.
No, I know how to burn shit. You're fucking getting a burning contest with me.
You're at 90 degrees, Boston, 100 degrees. I mean, come on. Somehow Flat Talk's going to give them a carryover 30 degrees on that one.
My God, we're not taking that chance again.
Yeah, they're going to carry
We're pulling them at 13 degrees.
They're carrying over to 135.
Yeah. No aluminum foil, butt naked.
Then we're gonna throw that, oh that's perfect actually. We'll throw that onto a slider and see how it does. Let's try the first one. That was good. Really good actually. Damn, that is fire.
Got some good meat, man.
That is fire. You love my meat, don't you?
Great meat.
Hell yeah.